Hello and welcome to the Spanish Spot. Today we are going to learn vocabulary about family members in Spanish, and also how to use the verb tener, to have, to talk about our family. Now let's see how to say the different family members in Spanish. Mamá, mom, papá, dad. Let's talk about our siblings. In Spanish, hermano means brother and hermana means sister. If you have more than one, we use the plural hermanos to say siblings. Let's talk about our cousins. In Spanish, primo means male cousin and prima means female cousin. If you have more than one, you can say primos for a group of boys or mixed cousins and primas for all girls. Now let's talk about grandparents. Abuelo means grandfather and abuela means grandmother. When we talk about both together, we use abuelos, which means grandparents. Next, let's learn how to say aunt and uncle. Tío means uncle, and tía means aunt. To talk about them together, we say tíos, which means aunts and uncles. Let's talk about our pets. The word mascota means pet in Spanish. For example, perro means dog, and gato means cat. Now let's look at the verb tener, which means to have. Here's how we conjugate it. Yo tengo, I have. Tú tienes, you have. Él, ella, usted tiene. He, she, you, formal, have. Nosotros, nosotras, tenemos, we have. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis, you all have, Spain. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen, they, you all have. Now let's use the verb tener to describe our family. For example, yo tengo una hermana. I have a sister. Ella tiene dos primos. She has two cousins. Yo tengo un abuelo y una abuela. I have a grandfather and a grandmother. Tú tienes una mascota. You have a pet. And that's it for today. Now you know how to talk about family members in Spanish and use the verb tener to describe your family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Spanish Spot for more simple Spanish lessons. Hasta la próxima!